I love the scripture, Matthew 19:26. In this scripture, Jesus says, with man, this is impossible. But with God, all things are possible. Maybe you find yourself in an impossible situation. You don't see a way around it. You don't see a way through it. You don't even know if you'll survive it. But I'm here to tell you that God makes impossible things possible. Impossibilities are His specialty. So whatever it is that you're facing, whatever difficulty you're walking through today, know that God is with you. He never fails. He can do the impossible, and just like we've been singing about, you will see the goodness of God in your life. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. Oh, I'm gonna sing of the goodness